Alright guys, so I have a new video for you guys. Today Alex was saying that he wanted to do a muffler delete on his Acura Ilx. So that's what we're about to do right now. Pulling up to Izzy's to go, get it deleted. Right now I'm going on my way over there. This was taking forever though. But yeah, that's what he's planning on doing. I'll give you guys a before and after, how it sounds like, Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a minute. There's no content. There's really nothing popping right now, There's only another thing that's gonna happen. It's gonna be another Big Bang meet. So the meet you guys seen last time, they're gonna host another one. So that's gonna be pretty big. Next time I'm gonna do it, I don't even think I'm gonna talk. I'm just gonna record with the GoPro, however long it is. I'm just gonna post it like that, That's just loud as fuck. Yeah. Alright, this is Alex's Acura. Exhaustive's down there, you can't even see it. Yeah, that's just silent. That's as quiet as fuck. Yeah, that fool wants to smoke. I said that fool wants to smoke. Just show me a little video, Look at the turbo. Hell yeah. That shit sounds fucking hella clean when you're this is clean. Yeah, yours is way louder, fool. You want to run it or what? Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna put it on auto. I can't shift. Are you ready? All right.